Baking soda is found in almost every kitchen, but hardly anyone uses it to its full potential. This unassuming powder can not only make cakes rise, but also solve over 40 everyday problems, from stubborn odors to cleaning tasks where expensive specialty products fail today. I'll show you 45 hacks that will surely surprise you and make your daily life easier. If you don't want to miss such simple yet brilliant everyday hacks, subscribe to our channel now. And let these 45 baking soda hacks amaze you. Let's get started. Pre-treat grease stains on textiles. A grease stain on a favorite shirt could quickly ruin the mood. But the solution was often already at hand. A bit of baking soda mixed with water formed a paste. Applied to the stain, it worked quietly before the garment went into the wash. The powder drew grease from the fibers, fast and thorough. Grandma shared this tip while tying her apron, casually revealing small secrets for daily life. Reduce gray veil in white curtains. Grandma knew white curtains only shine when clear and light permeable. She grabbed a packet of baking soda, added it to the detergent compartment, and let the curtains soak in a gentle cycle. As the machine hummed, the powder dissolved dirt, neutralized odors, and restored freshness. Hung back up, the curtains swayed in the breeze, as if the light itself had found a home within them. Neutralize refrigerator odors. Refrigerator smells from cheese, sausage, or leftovers could linger stubbornly. Grandma placed a small bowl of baking soda inside, tucked between groceries, almost unnoticed. Silently, it absorbed odors, leaving only freshness. Every few weeks, she replaced the bowl, restarting the cycle. The fridge stayed clean, preserving each food's natural scent. Deodorized thermos flask. Over time, coffee and tea left a musty odor in the thermos. Grandma sprinkled a spoonful of baking soda inside, added hot water, and sealed it. As it sat, the powder loosened deposits and eliminated the smell. After half an hour, she poured it out and rinsed. The flask smelled clean and fresh, ready for its next use. Soak burnt pots and pans. A pot with burnt-on residue was a challenge, its bottom blackened and odor harsh. Grandma sprinkled baking soda over it, added hot water, and let it rest. The mixture quietly softened the crust, layer by layer. A sponge later wiped it clean, no scrubbing needed. The pot was usable again, and Grandma placed it back on the shelf as if nothing had happened. Refreshed tile grout. Over years, tile grout darkened with grime. A paste of baking soda and water worked wonders. Grandma brushed it into the grooves, letting it sit briefly. Clear water rinsed away the dirt, leaving grout brighter, almost new. She smiled as the kitchen floor gleamed, its clean lines restoring order. Refresh drain and dissolve light blockages. Drains collected unseen soap, grease, and food bits, slowing water and raising odors. Grandma sprinkled 2 spoonfuls of baking soda into the drain, followed by hot water. A soft hiss signaled it working. Soon, water flowed freely again, the pipe seemingly refreshed. Simple tools kept her kitchen vibrant and burden-free. Degrease baking sheets. Baking sheets bore dark, greasy edges from countless meals. Grandma mixed baking soda with water into a paste, spread it across the surface, and let it sit. The grease softened, and a sponge wiped it away. The metal shone, ready for the next dish, keeping her kitchen a place of effortless work and enjoyment. Clean oven door glass. The oven door's glass held splattered grease and sauce, forming a cloudy film. Grandma applied a baking soda water paste, letting it work over time. A cloth wiped it away, followed by a clear rinse. The glass became transparent again, the oven inviting, as if new. Clean microwave. Grandma set a bowl of water with a spoonful of baking soda in the microwave and heated it. Steam rose, loosening splatters and odors. After a few minutes, she wiped the interior with a cloth. The microwave was fresh and ready for the next meal, no effort required. Deodorized cutting boards. Cutting boards retained onion and garlic smells despite washing. Grandma dampened the surface, sprinkled baking soda, and rubbed it in. The powder seeped into the pores, neutralizing odors. After rinsing, the board stood upright to dry, its scent gone, ready for a fresh start. Deodorized plastic containers. Plastic containers clung to the sharp, heavy smells of past meals. A baking soda water paste, applied to every crevice, sat for a while. Rinsed out, the container was odor-free, as if liberated. Grandma returned it to the shelf, ready for new contents, pleased with the simple fix. Brighton stainless steel sink. The stainless steel sink looked dull, marred by water and limescale. With a damp sponge and baking soda, Grandma gently scrubbed in circles, lifting grease and deposits. After rinsing and drying, the sink gleamed brightly. Her hand grazed the surface, satisfied with the restored shine. Clean water bottles and drinking attachments. A water bottle held a musty smell and inner film. Grandma added a spoonful of baking soda and warm water, letting it soak. A brush cleaned the interior, and the spout soaked separately. Rinsed and dried, the bottle was fresh, ready for the next sip. Remove tea stains from cups. Tea left brown rings in cups, stubborn against scrubbing. Grandma dampened the cup, sprinkled baking soda, and rubbed gently. The stains lifted quietly. A rinse revealed the porcelain's white shine. She placed the cup back, content with its renewed clarity. Deodorized trash can. A thin layer of baking soda at the trash can's bottom worked invisibly but effectively. As waste piled up, heavy odors stayed trapped. When changing the bag, Grandma sprinkled more. The can remained discreet, odor-free, keeping the kitchen fresh with a small ritual. Reduce cat litter box odors. Before adding fresh litter, Grandma sprinkled a thin layer of baking soda in the cat box. Hidden beneath, it absorbed harsh odors, leaving the air clearer. The cat used it undisturbed. At the next cleaning, she repeated the step, maintaining balance and a fresh home. Freshened sneakers. Sneakers in the hallway carried the heavy scent of countless steps. Grandma sprinkled baking soda inside and let them sit overnight. By morning, the odor was gone. She shook out the powder, and the shoes stood fresh, ready for the next outing. Wardrobe deodorizer. Closets developed a musty smell over time. Grandma placed a small bowl of baking soda among the clothes stacks, where it quietly absorbed odors. After weeks, she replaced it, keeping the wardrobe fresh, with laundry smelling only of itself, clean and pure. Refresh washing machine drum. The washing machine drum held a stale odor. Grandma added 2 packets of baking soda and ran a hot cycle. As the water swirled, it cleared hidden grime. Afterward, she left the door open to dry, leaving the drum clean and ready for new loads. Degreased countertops. After cooking, countertops held a greasy film. Grandma dampened a cloth, sprinkled baking soda, and wiped in steady strokes. The grime lifted, and a clear rinse followed. The surface felt smooth, gleaming under the light, ready for the next task. Soak oven racks. Oven racks bore dark, baked-on crusts. Grandma placed them in a tub, sprinkled baking soda into warm water, and let them soak. The grime softened, and a brush cleared the bars. Rinsed and dried, the racks shone, ready for the next roast. Treat mildew stains on shower curtain. Dark mildew spots clung to the shower curtain's hem. Grandma applied a baking soda water paste, letting it sit. A brush scrubbed the stains away, and a rinse left the curtain bright. Hung back, it restored the bathroom's fresh glow, earning her quiet nod. Reduce odor in silicone seals. Silicone seals in the bathroom held a faint odor, noticeable up close. Grandma applied a baking soda paste, let it sit, and rinsed thoroughly. The seals brightened, the smell faded. Repeated regularly, this kept the bathroom crisp and airy. Soften limescale on sink. Limescale crusted the sink's edge. Grandma spread a thick baking soda paste over it, letting it work undisturbed. A soft sponge lifted the layer, and a rinse left the surface smooth, water beading cleanly again. The sink gleamed, refreshed. Dissolve deposits on shower head. The shower head sputtered, clogged by deposits. Grandma mixed baking soda in warm water and soaked the head in a bowl. After half an hour, she rinsed it thoroughly. Water flowed evenly again, making showers smooth and pleasant. Clean car cup holders. Car cup holders collected crumbs and sticky residue. Grandma sprinkled baking soda, scrubbed with a damp brush, and wiped clean. A rinse and dry left them spotless, ready for the next drive. Simple and effective. Brighton plastic garden furniture. Plastic garden chairs grayed under sun and rain. Grandma scrubbed them with a damp sponge and baking soda, lifting the dull film. A rinse and dry in the sun restored their brightness, making them welcoming again. Deodorized terracotta pots. Terracotta pots held a heavy, earthy smell. Grandma soaked them in warm water with baking soda, scrubbing with a brush. Rinsed and sun-dried, they were clean, ready for new soil and plants, their pores fresh. Ease cleaning of burnt casserole dishes. A casserole dish, its bottom crusted with cheese and sauce, resisted scrubbing. Grandma added warm water and baking soda, letting it soak. The crust softened, and a sponge cleared it. The dish shone, ready for the next meal. Clean-cut flower vases. A vase held a musty smell and filmy walls. Grandma added baking soda and warm water, letting it sit. A brush cleaned the interior, and a rinse left the glass sparkling, ready for fresh blooms to catch the light. Deodorized flip-flops and sandal soles. Sandals carried summer's dust and sweat, their soles heavy with odor. Grandma mixed baking soda into a paste, spread it over straps and soles, and let it sit rinsed and sun-dried. They smelled fresh, ready for more warm days. Neutralize onion and garlic odor on hands. Chopping garlic left a sharp smell on hands, unyielding to soap. Grandma sprinkled baking soda on damp skin, rubbed gently, and rinsed. The sulfurous odor vanished, leaving hands clean and light, ready to return to cooking. Freshen sink drain. The sink drain held a faint, persistent odor from food scraps and grease. Grandma sprinkled a spoonful of baking soda, letting it sit, then flushed with hot water. The drain cleared. The sink felt light, a routine that kept her kitchen fresh. Refresh carpets and rugs. Carpets bore daily wear, dust, and odors deep in their fibers. Grandma sprinkled baking soda evenly, let it sit overnight, and vacuumed the next day. The carpet looked brighter, the room fresher, revived with minimal effort. Deodorized mattresses. Mattresses held the scent of countless nights. Grandma sprinkled baking soda across the surface, letting it sit for hours. Vacuuming removed the powder and odors, leaving a fresh, inviting bed that felt renewed. Deodorized bookshelves and old books. Old books and shelves carried a musty paper smell. A small bowl of baking soda among them absorbed the heaviness. For single books, Grandma placed them in a bag with a bowl of soda for days. The shelves and pages smelled clean, the room airy. Gently clean curtains. Curtains grew heavy with dust and kitchen odors. Grandma added half a packet of baking soda to the wash, running a gentle cycle. Hung wet, they dried in the breeze, light and bright, opening up the room as if it had breathed anew. Clean plastic toys. A basket of toys, dulled by sticky hands, needed care. Grandma soaked them in warm water with baking soda, wiping with a cloth. Rinsed and dried, their colors shone, ready for play, fresh and welcoming. Brighton silver cutlery. Silver cutlery sat dull in the drawer, tarnished by time. Soaked in warm water with baking soda, it shed its dark film. A soft cloth polished it to a bright sheen, and Grandma laid it back, satisfied with its renewed elegance. Polish faucets. Faucets bore lime scale and soap marks. Grandma scrubbed with a damp cloth and baking soda, lifting deposits with each stroke. Rinsed and dried, they reflected light cleanly, earning her quiet approval for a job well done. Deodorized cooler bags or lunch boxes. Cooler bags held stale smells of old snacks. Grandma lightly dampened the interior, sprinkled baking soda, and let it sit. Rinsed and aired out, the bag was odor-free, ready to carry new provisions without a trace of the past. Neutralize pet blankets. Pet blankets carried the heavy scent of fur and earth. Grandma sprinkled baking soda generously, leaving it overnight. Shaken out the next morning, the blanket was fresh, its fibers clean, ready for the pet's comfort. Keep laundry basket fresh. The laundry basket, filled with daily wear, developed a musty odor. A thin layer of baking soda at the bottom absorbed it, keeping the air clear. Refreshed after each wash day, it maintained the room's freshness with a simple gesture. Neutralize pet odors in the room. The room held the familiar scent of a dog, heavy in the air. A small bowl of baking soda near the pet's bed quietly absorbed it, leaving only the animal's presence. Regularly replaced, it kept the air fresh, the home open and clean. So many small uses, so much power in a simple powder. Grandma never imagined her old tricks would inspire so many today. If you're excited for more ideas like these, leave a subscription and hit the bell. Share this video with those who cherish such stories as much as you do. And now, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.